Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful British English. My name is Paul and today I have a fluency lesson for you on how to use articles, how to use a and the. So these two very simple but also very important words often cause a lot of confusion in the English language, especially in your guys' writing. Yeah, so if you are preparing for your IELTS or any other kind of English exam, you want to make sure you use your articles effectively. You want to use them correctly, yeah? So I hope this little lesson, this little demonstration, will help you to start understanding them a little bit better, okay? So let's make a start. So I have two words for you guys to consider. The first word is specific. The second is general. So are you trying to describe something that is very specific, or are you trying to describe something that is very general? So, specific and general. So we have the same sentence here. Something car is parked outside and something car is parked outside. If this car that we want to describe with an article is specific, and when I say specific, I'm talking about it's a car that I know. I know this car because it's actually my car. Yeah? So the car is parked outside. The car is parked outside. Well, whose car? Well, my car. It's a very, very specific car. So if somebody asks you, where is your car? You might say my car is parked outside, but you can also say, well, the car is parked outside. Yeah? Because it is very, very specific. Everybody involved in the conversation knows exactly which car you are referring to. It's a very, very specific noun. Okay, so the specific noun, okay, requires the article the. Whereas if you want to describe something in general, an unknown car, for example, you use the article a or a. So a car is parked outside. Well, whose car is this? I don't know. It could be anybody's car. It's not my car and it's not your car, so it's a car. It is a general thing that we're referring to. Yeah? So, specific and general. I hope that gives you a good idea of how you can use your articles to describe specific things and to talk about things in general. Now, another thing to consider is the information that you are referring to, the noun that you are referring to, is the noun new information or old information? If the information is new, then you have to use the article a. I bought a new car. I bought a new car. I am introducing a new car. It's not the new car, it is a new car because it is new information. Now I've introduced you to the fact that I have bought a new car, new information, and it's also general as well because I haven't told you what colour, type or make of car. I've just told you it is a new car. So it's general and also new information. Now you know I have a new car and I want to tell you that the car that I have just bought is red. Because this is old information. I told you I bought a new car, new information, but now that information becomes old. So we refer back to the. The car is red. Yeah? So, specific or general, new information or old information. Now, like I said at the beginning, this rule in general is quite good, but it does not serve every purpose of using these articles. There are some nouns that always take articles. And the article that they always take, in this case, is the. So you guys have probably heard that lots of people refer to not United States of America, not USA, but the USA, the USA. The USA, USA always takes an article, it's always the USA, it's never just USA. You can just refer to it as America if you want to, but it's known as the United States of America. Just like we always talk about the countryside, we always talk about the oceans, and we always talk about the earth.